Yes, people, just on this beautiful beach this morning. And today we are off to a shooting range to shoot some big ass guns with our big headed woman. Not really, it's a normal size. But yeah. Yeah, so it isn't, it's a perfect size head, look. Anyhow, yeah, we're just off to a shooting range today, shoot a couple of blowers, and then tonight we are, where are we off?
We're either going to go, well, we might do both, probably a night market and eat loads of scran, and then go to a Muay Thai boxing fight, because there's an arena just round the corner from us.
Yeah, you should jump in. A bit of a scrap. Yeah, so we're just going to grab some breakfast and then we'll be on our way to the shooting range.
Look at this view, show them the view.
Look at the bloody view. Red hot this morning as well.
I know, I need more of a tan.
We've been lucky, to be fair, because before we came here to Krabi it said that there was going to be lightning, but there hasn't been anything, so it's going to be the hottest on Wednesday and then we're off down island hopping and stuff, so anyway.
Look at the little birds.
Where?
Running around on the beach.
I don't think you can see them from this far, can't we?
Anyway,
we're going to get some breakfast and then what? Fueling up on my bed, ready to roll. Just putting some tequila in there. Gonna be a wobbly.
so you fuel up on the morning?
Got fuel up for breakfast, 2 litres of gin. Fabulous Crispies. Might get a doobie.
No.
Might get a doobie while shooting AK-47. How much? What's that?
100 baht.
What it is each?
100 baht Simpson.
100 baht Simpson. How much? 100. For one? Or for both?
No, for both.
You got 100?
50 each.
So you got 100?
No, I ain't got shit.
Have you got 40?
Oh, I am. I've got 500. Where? Hang on.
Just
no, I've only got 1,000. Confusion.
I've just got... I might buy a doobie, you know. I might buy a doobie.
Right. Look at it.
Beautiful. Bloody beautiful, man.
Like in Jurassic Park or something.
I don't know if I got up here on pedal. What's going on there?
Yeah, it's like 200 metres up here.
This is the best viewpoint in Krabi, this.
Do you have to walk up 10,000 million steps?
No, well, I don't actually.
Probably.
We can just ped it. You don't have to fucking...
Well, just rag the pedal up to the top of the mountain.
We've got a drink here, haven't we?
Oh, there'll be places to get drinks.
Lots of folks here.
We've gone off the plan and we're doing a monkey trail now. And we need a drink. But look at that.
That's all I say. Look at that. Look at that. Because it is amazing.
Beautiful.
Go see some monkeys, baby. I wonder how long it is. We don't even know how long this is. But it's going up side of a mountain, so soon find out. What, I know they fell off the edge, did I?
Oh my god.
See, it says on here, strictly do not feed the monkeys. But then there's a person at the bottom selling bananas. In a bag. To stitch you up, innit? Motherfucker. Yeah. Just have a look up there, babe. I think it's miles, you know. It didn't say anywhere, did it? It didn't say anywhere how long it is.
Oh my god, you're so stupid.
Oh. Is it so hard? This must be all set. Still climbing here, we've underestimated it. Still going up. Go on. Get them knees up.
I am.
There's people saying the monkeys are attacking people up here.
Oh, maybe.
Might see a monkey get sparked out on camera there. I'll fly kick it straight outside it cliff, babe. I won't really. I'm only joking. I'm only joking.
Monkey butt.
Don't mooch, look.
Oh, I'm a bit scared.
Honestly, if it attacks you, there'll be hell on. I'll probably get filled in off one to be there.
That monkey will break you.
Probably. Seeing the viewpoint, but we're starting to go down now, aren't we?
Yeah, but look at it anyway. Look at the cliffs.
I know, it is beautiful.
I'm tripping.
See how close we can get to it. It's growling at me there. So be careful walking past it.
I don't like it. Get away from
There's
it.
another one. Oh, look at this little baby one.
Fuck off, Kenny.
Hello.
I don't want it to bite me.
Don't be scared, babe. They're tiny.
Yeah, I'm not scared of the bite. I'm scared
Why
of
are
the
you
rabies.
flapping it, babe?
I'm scared of rabies.
Someone's scared of monkeys. Look, they're scrapping in there. Yeah, a little baby one's fighting, aren't they?
Oh, you got some sunglasses on?
There's hell on, look. This one's eating a biscuit, look.
Oh, bless it.
Oh, they're so cute. He's just see him pull him off the fence there. Do you see?
No, I missed it.
Oh, I pulled his
there,
tail.
look, they're biting down there, look.
Everyone's they're attacking everyone.
Can't wait for you to fly kick you off the side. No, don't.
You can't eat it, can you? Look, it's on his back. It's on his back.
Oh my god.
He's nicked some out your bag.
You nicked the cream.
He took your cream. Sorry.
Stolen something out your bag.
Took some out your bag.
He's nicked your cream.
Do you want to walk right down?
Yeah. You can get that on camera.
Yeah. There's loads of them.
Go on.
I'm just sitting having a brew. Who shall I steal off today?
Oh my god.
It's a big one, that. Where? All right, Steve.
There's a tiny one.
No. What's good is we didn't even expect this. I just thought it was like a viewpoint where you go up and it's a good view. How's your aunt doing, son?
This is mental.
I know. Just leave it running, the whole thing, you can cut it.
Yeah, if you want.
You
never know.
А, ты видела, он так сделал?
I'm out. Now we've got turkey teeth, show them. Ding. Lovely. Oh my god. You'd never eat end of it. I'd call you shithead for the rest of your life. I'd save it as your name as your name in my phone. It's shithead. She's shitting it like that.
Жень, ты возьми в руки сумку.
Our insurance is good, isn't it?
Our what?
Insurance.
No, I didn't get any.
Sound. Perfect. More money. Oh, look, you can zoom in a bit.
This is mental.
А, вон, паспорт, что ли? Вау. Passport. Passport.
Yeah, you need. Oh, you took your passport?
No.
What took your passport? Oh, so when that monkey's jumped on his back, it's took the passport. You are lying.
Oh, they're trying to get it back of him.
You are winding me up. I don't got that on this video. Yeah, I thought.
The passport's probably already been nicked and you don't even realise.
That is mental, that. This one's just chilling, having an orange. He's chilled him, he's just fucking not asked. Everyone's attacked in passports.
Some are just a bit more like you.
You what?
Some are just a bit more like you.
I can't believe they took. That is mental, that. I can't actually believe that's just happened.
So what,
They're trying to get the passport back out of his bag. Fucking hell. No, what they do is they try and trade it with you for something else. You have to trade something with them. Mental, that. Crazy. Oh! Fucking hell, cheers, mate.
Oh my god, Penny!
What?
There's one there. I don't like it.
It's alright, stop flapping. Fucking hell, these are steep, man. One's getting done in off there. Fucking hell. Ooh.
Look at this.
I know. It's actually nuts how steep they are, babe. Do you have to go back that way or you just walk down the beach? Cannot believe they took a passport out of someone's bag and they've nicked it. Absolutely mental, that. And I think we've got to walk back that way. Well, why is everyone walking past us, babe? I don't think you can because it's cliffs. So we'll have to swim it. Have to swim. Look at this place. Don't even seem real when you're here, does it?
I'm literally shaking after the monkeys.
Yeah, Gemma's absolutely blacked it then.
They were just a little bit...
Yeah, they are bad lads. Kids crying and all that.
Men.
Kids are crying now. Nice one. Yeah, beautiful that. Yeah, do that.
I'll have yours. That was scary.
Hang on. Yes, we have to go back that way, unfortunately.
Did you get it on camera? That
Everything. I got the full thing, yeah. Yeah, literally I was filming when you did it.
Excuse me, your wife wants. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh no. It's well hard filming and climbing.
What?
I just got his wife fronts on the film.
Yeah. He's only got budgies on. No messing up.
I couldn't help it. Ken.
Babe, you literally do over 100 floors on step rate, Jim. You've got no...
Yeah, but it's not fucking 45 degrees. got aircon blowing on my back. On my back. Not as many this time. Thank God. Absolutely dripping and all. It's red hot. But it's mint though. I'm not moaning. We're out. Work it. Work it, Kenny.
Tell you what, well deserved. I wasn't going to drink today, even though we've drank every day since we got here. But these are what me and Gooders drank every day in the Philippines and the bin. Cheers, mate. Must have had 10 billion of these. It's getting tornadoed. No, it's not. I'll just down. I'm going to try and down one. It was gonna, but it isn't. I'm just going to try and down one beer every time we're here. Every day we're here. Okay.
Struggling. Empty.
Pardon me. That was a struggle.
I know, I could tell. Eyes are watering.
I could know that.
Thought you were drowning.
I was drowning when you sat me down. I got bites on the down.
That little bullet.
Now, these are bullets you shoot, look.
Oh, there's a cat.
Look, a little kitten. Oh, hello.
How cute.
They're cute kittens, aren't they? Can't wait to see you shoot one of these big guns, mate. Can't wait to see you at revolver. I've been to a firing range before when I was last in Thailand in Pattaya with Chris Norton, my pal. But we were half cut, and I think we're using the same guns as we used to. No, we're not actually. We had a little machine. But the revolver took my hand off, babe, so
what?
You have to hold two hands and hope for best. Go on, James Bond. James Bond. I'm shit at every single thing I do.
No, you don't.
Here she goes. Go on, Arnold. I bet she does better than me. I bet she does better than me. Go on, babe. Oh, babe! What a legend! Proud of you. Proud of you there, Jen. Oh, you did well better than me! Go right in the... Oh, in the bit, that's it. Right. All them in the outside of my hand. Gemma even got the fucking bull nearly. Right on edge of bull.
Bullseye, baby!
Go on, babe.
Oh my God.
Boom! Got a headshot there, definitely. Rambo is ready. I've got earmuffs on, so I don't even know how loud I'm talking. I'm probably screaming on camera here. But you can do it. I got one straight in the head.
You shot the thing off.
Yeah, I know. I shot it straight off the clip, didn't I? I shot the clip. Fucking hell, what's the chance of that? Yeah, don't be messing with me back home, babe.
You haven't got a gun, babe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shit. Down, now, 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 now. Hell yeah! Keep going. Better that.
Well better.
I think he does an eagle. Whoa. Oh my nose, won't stop running. No, it's not because of drugs.
Kidding.
No, it's not. It's been snotty for months. She's shaking, bless her. Go on, babe.
Oh my god.
You got him straight through next to the ear, look.
I'm shaking.
Oh, man.
I love it though.
It's a loud environment on hotspot.
What's on?
Because it's damn loud.
Yeah? Ready. Oh, thank you. Yes.
Slow ball bullets on floor, no problemo. Oh, so you shot a clip off as well. So I shot the right clip off and she shot the left. Whoa. Currently 30 degrees. We are absolutely boiling. I've just got myself a peach white claw and spicy lobster layers. So see what all that's about.
I got 2 packs of tabs.
2 packs of cigs.
Don't know what they are. What, you've been hammering them?
No, I haven't.
Ooh.
Some juices, juices. We don't even know where we are, to be honest with you. So, gotta set the maps up, baby. I don't know, it's like katsu chicken, I think.
This is my favourite, called pad krapao, and it's minced
Obviously,
chicken,
5 million pad krapao.
loads of chilies, Thai basil, fried egg, some lovely cucumber.
And that's why your bumhole's been flying off for the full 4 days of video. Time to pop out and get a little drink, and Gemma's decided to order 2 whiskey sours. Absolute carnage tonight. Look at that, look.
We're going to get on one of them boats in a couple of days and we'll see all the islands.
Look how fire that glass is. It's a full school. That man here. That pour it shite.
Looks swirly. Head on that.
What, me or glass?
The glass.
Turn it out of the bottle. Oh, it feels like summer. Here, faggy. Cheers, beautiful.
Cheers.
Love you.
I'm well happy.
You are well flappy.
Happy.
Lovely. Just upgraded. Babes has bought some brand new Prada shades. The realest ones ever from a real Prada shop. Honestly, they weren't £2.50 on a pin.
Well, my eyes were blinding,
Eh?
and then I forgot my shirt, so...
Yeah. Not only that, I'm now half Thai. With my new Thailand hat. look, Australia, mate. Everything's snide. Look at the views, man. So beautiful. She's not bad either. Yo. Just blazing away on a fucking Monday. Is it Monday?
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that view, honestly.
Can't wait for the night market to loads of scram.
Night market next. Look at me that because I'm out on bike. Night market next. We're going to put some ripe food away. Lovely. Thank you. Bit of chang. Loads of mixed meat kebabs.
So there's chicken, I think, pork, and then maybe beef. But they are unreal.
200 baht. Like
But then it's a little chili dip. Mint.
Bottle of chang fucking 90 baht.
Look at this. Shit.
Mint.
My water's filling, the curry sauce is everywhere.
Absolutely fucked it.
Give me your sauce.
What's up?
Oh, thanks. It's so cute.
Anything for you, babe.
Oh, I've spilled there. Do you like it though?
Banging. Like £4 for all that meat, you know?
Got it?
Yeah.
Well, you're off back in. We're off back into showing the market. And we've just had to fucking pay to sit at this table by buying a chang and a water just to eat our food. Sat on floor if I fucking knew. The pork one's the best.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
I don't know.
Chicken just took a little bit of swallowing.
They're all fire. Fat bastard, aren't you?
We love it, don't we?
Yeah.
We had banana pancakes last night and then we had one. And then we went to 7-Eleven, bought snacks and then had another pancake on the way out. Fat.
Fat as well.
What is there? Pizza, noodles, fucking lobsters, massive prawns, scallop. Oh my god, I'm so hard. And I'm gonna eat loads of snacks.
Come on, baby.
We're at the night market. Clearly. I know. Oh look, honey toast. Look at that. Honey toast. But you know what I want? I want
I'll have whatever you want.
Come on. We need to have a look at more things. Hold on the car. What is that? Right, look at them. What are these? Coconut cookies. The light bulb's smacking me in the head. Yeah, I'm talking to the camera actually. Right. Look how low these ceilings are. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Tinsel. Sorry, man.
I'm 6.
Ooh, sticky ride. Mango. No, they didn't. They look like the bottom of my teeth. This isn't. Best mango. What? You've just had a looking for me, haven't we?
I forgot the meat.
Oh no, we have some.
Oh, the meat, yeah, the meat.
Right. Honestly. The meat, yeah. So now we need. Do you want something sweet or savoury? Sweet or savoury?
Shrimp balls, isn't it?
What, shrimp balls?
Balls and shrimp balls, yeah, for that.
Look at octopus. No, stick that. I once got one of them stuck to my tongue off the octopus tentacles.
What?
Exactly. It was in batter and then it just was a sucker in the batter.
That's melted this. That's saying what I'm saying.
Right. What are you saying?
I'm in. Actually, I'm in. Try on.
I've got mini ones though, but I haven't even opened my dip yet.
Yeah.
Hold up. I can't get in the dip for fuck's sake. Oh, I can see these going every. Oh, I've done it. Have a little lick of that. Obviously. Right, I'm in.
Mint.
Unreal.
Right off. I'm alright, try a bit of that one. Try one of mine. That'll be half there. Which one's better? Little ones. Hold that then, give me a little one.
More crispy. You love a little one in your mouth, don't you, babe?
Love it. Because this is what this fucking inviting me because I'm not there.
What is it?
Right. I want more food after this.
Yeah, I do, yeah. More. I'm gonna come back from here fat as fuck. No, I'm not really. I'm just gonna go to the gym tomorrow and do a 40-mile run up and down beach.
There's a little kitty up your ass. It's only little, isn't it?
Oh, we don't have any toasty left.
It's all shitty food, that. Oh. Give it a bit of that cheesecake.
No, what?
What else have we got?
Oh, maybe I'll just eat this out of the bag.
What?
See if there's any cheese. Here.
You'll kill it cheese, won't it? Give it a cat cheese. Is it dogs? Oh no, it's dogs cheese tax, isn't it?
We need to put mine somewhere.
Booked it. He popped it on way back home to get a little pad kapow. Literally eating it every day. This was £4.20 I think for both meals.
It's unreal.
Chilling. It is banging.